Hi guys, so today we're going to be trying something called Weekies, which is eyelashes that can hold up to a week. And this is supposed to be a great alternative for the regular eyelash extensions, which we all know can be very time consuming and very expensive, okay? So if this works, all of our problems are solved. It is finally here. It did take a while for it to get here though. So what we have here is the eyelash bonder, which is supposed to be applied first, and then you apply the lashes and then you seal it with this sealant right here. And then if you want to remove everything at the end of the week, of course, or for any other reason really, then you also have a remover. And then I also bought a lash applicator. It has a little comb at the end, which I find pretty neat, I think. I don't know if that's gonna... Maybe that will help. And then we also have the eyelashes, of course, and this is in the style Ambitious. And the lengths are 10, 12, and 14. So before doing the lashes, I do want to mention that I did do like a lash prep before. When I used to get lash extensions, I did buy a lash shampoo. It looks like this. That, and then you just take like a fluffy brush and then you know clean your lashes. I don't know if the effect is gonna be better or worse, but I just want to mention that. So when I watch these girls apply these lashes, their lashes are a little bit curled. I think it's naturally curled, but my lashes are straight and they go downwards. So I'm gonna be using my eyelash curler and just curling them slightest bit, okay? The slightest bit, yeah? I'm gonna have these open and ready to go. Apply bonder to the base of your natural lashes or onto the roots of the Weekies. Place the Weekies under the natural lashes as close to the lash line as possible. Oh, that was so easy. What the hell? Kind of felt like magnet. Why does that look so good? This looks so freaking good. Are you kidding me? Shut up. You shut up right now. No freaking way. So I have two pieces of the 10 millimeters and then I have one piece of the 12, one piece of the 14 at the outer corner. Is this real right now? You guys, I am in shock. Wait a minute. Oh my god, that looks so natural and so pretty. I think 14 is can't talk. I think 14 at the outer corners is a little bit too long for me. I think I would have done like a 10 and then just have 12 on the rest. Well, I mean, now that I look at it, maybe 14 is okay. It gives me a little bit of a cat eye. I am in shock. Okay, so now we're gonna put in the sealant. If I did not talk to you guys and just fully concentrated on what I was doing without thinking of like the camera and stuff like that, that would literally take me 5 minutes for both eyes. This is amazing. We found something. I did not think that it would be that smooth, okay? So let's just do the other eye. What kind of witchcraft is this? Is this magnetic? Because why is it so easy to apply? So then I saw a girl also like clamp these together. This is beautiful. That was a little bit too easy and I am scared. Sealant. If you guys have seen my gua sha videos where I have lash extensions on, they do feel a little bit too like dark and heavy. These look so natural. Shut the front door. Look at how natural these look. I can't get over it. I did not expect it to go this well. So let's break down the cost. This kit right here costed 60 pounds, which is about-ish, I think $60-ish, right? That's like half of a price of a full set lash extensions. And you can reuse them up to 20 times, which if it's once a week, then 20 weeks. But I guess the real test here is to see if it does last a full week. Your wallet will be thanking you if that works. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna update you guys every single day. All right, so this is the first day. I just got out of the shower and they look amazing. I had no trouble sleeping with them at all. They just felt like regular lash extensions, to be honest. You do have to be a little bit careful, and you know, washing your face, you shouldn't just like pour water all over your face and over your lashes, stuff like that, but nothing too major. I don't feel it itching. I don't feel any irritation whatsoever. They feel so light. Like, I'm so surprised that they didn't just fall out in the middle of the night. But yeah, this is day one. They are going strong. I am excited to document this. It's been a while since I've done a video like this. Yeah, I absolutely look a little bit crazy when I do that, but you guys need a close-up. Amazing. They look super natural, light, not bugging my eyes at all. So yeah. Oh, the quality of this video makes me so mad because I was having a really stressful day. I was gonna film it real quick and didn't even check the footage. Okay, so this is day number 6 and they are starting to look a little bit wonky, okay? I don't know what happened between day 5 and day 6, but it was a drastic difference and I feel like they are... it's time to remove them. So they did last up to 6 days and I didn't even count like the first day when I applied them. So technically, I guess they were on me for 7 days. So my thoughts on the Weekies is that I love them. If you guys have any questions, please comment them down below because I respond to every single comment. So with all of that said, let's remove them. So we have the remover, lash shampoo, and a little fluffy brush, and then just some cotton pads. I don't know how this is gonna be, but we're just going along with it. So in the video, she just coated them under, over. Oh wow, that's already falling off. Okay. Oh my, that was so easy. Well, that was quick. I think that they were about to fall off anyways. Apparently, you were just supposed to coat it, wait 2 minutes, and then it should slide right off. Mine definitely did. 1, 2, 3, 4. Everything's off. And then you just coat them with some remover, once again, on your natural lashes. Then I'm gonna take some of that lash shampoo. Okay, well that looks clean to me. And there you go, that was removed. They feel really clean. There is no bonder left. For the lashes that I have right here, I'm just gonna transfer it onto like a plate or something. And then I'm gonna put some of that remover on just to get rid of all the bonder. And then I am gonna go in with some lash shampoo and clean them individually with a brush like this, with like a tweezer. So tweezer to hold the lashes, lash, and then clean with the brush. And then I'm gonna reuse it. If it wasn't clear enough, this video is definitely not sponsored. I am not getting paid to say shit, okay? The link to Eyelash Bae Limited is in the description box if you guys decide to buy them, and this is their TikTok account in case you guys want to just do your own little research before purchasing them or whatever. But with that said, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!